human beings have never stopped exploring the world. Explore it from the perception of everything in the world. Jade Bird Fire. We perceive changes in the environment, scanning for the minute differences, monitoring potential risks, and notifying before the fire occurs. Let us guard you in any moment. Protecting the future with intelligence. Jade Bird Fire, protecting you for a better life. The risks are always present in the world. Danger can be triggered at any moment. How to detect hidden fire risks instantly and accurately. Protecting lives and property is the motivation of our continuous exploration of intelligent fire protection. Wherever you can see, wherever you cannot see, wherever you are, wherever you cannot go, we investigate the details. We have insights into future trends facing complex application environments. Through the Jade Bird detector that is robust and has efficient power consumption, delivers effective and wide-scale intelligent monitoring. Combining the new Jade Bird Fire algorithm logic, rapidly analyzes and processes all of the data accurately, assesses all kinds of fire risks, leveraging the Internet of Things. Integrating countless smart terminals connected together to detect risks efficiently. That activates the emergency signal to evacuate, calculating the shortest, fastest and safest escape route. Activating the alarm signal quickly to provide the best protection and extinguishing the fire. And taking effective firefighting measures to eliminate known fire dangers and to prevent and control the spread of fire risks. Early detection, instant awareness, intelligent transmission of data, remote access. Leading the era of smart fire detection by leveraging IoT, big data and cloud computing. Jade Bird Fire focuses on R&D innovation, fuses perfectly the theory and practice. The R&D team is formed by a team of global engineers and experts, with a focused effort, leveraging world-class technologies and the experience of the team, developing innovative fire logic algorithms while continuously upgrading communications through IoT technology. We designed an integrated chip, designed for different scenarios, advanced, safe and reliable series of intelligent fire alarm systems that meet the European standards, American and European standard certification. Jade Bird Fire dedicates all its efforts into every detail of production. We strictly supervises our quality control with international standards to work to eliminate any possible quality risks of the product. With a world-class, fully automatic production line that achieves standardization and reliability in the production process. Information and automation leading the era of intelligent manufacturing in the global fire protection industry. Jade Bird Fire provides a systematic and continuous professional training system to its employees to develop the professional capabilities with experienced and highly qualified service team. Our products and services have gone abroad. We have more than 100 sales and service agencies all over the world. We have established subsidiaries in Europe and North America that integrate the production, research and development, as well as sales and services. Jade Bird Fire is rooted in China. Jade Bird Fire has a global strategic vision to build a global brand with exceptional quality, to provide our experience to the worldwide fire detection market. We strongly believe in order to do things right requires experience because we know the fire risks. We explore these risks and we use our experience to protect the world. Jade Bird Fire, protecting you for a better life.